power is key to all boat builders, of course, all around the world. The most special experience that we had with the 600 is a constant, smooth acceleration from 0 to 50 knots that no other engine can provide.
When you take off and you hit the throttle, the power this engine has is incredible. And then when they back off the throttle, the boat just keeps on going. It is truly amazing what the torque is of this engine, not only at high speeds, but also at low speeds. The holding power is just amazing.